What's the meaning of all singing, all dancing? All singing, all dancing. All singing, all dancing. All singing, all dancing. All singing, all dancing. All singing, all dancing.
The phrase, all singing, all dancing, refers to something that is fully equipped with every possible feature or upgrade. It implies that a product or service is of the highest quality and comes with all the bells and whistles. The phrase can also refer to a person who is extremely skilled or talented in various areas. Essentially, it denotes something or someone that is exceptional in every way and doesn't disappoint. Overall, all singing, all dancing, suggests that there is nothing missing and everything is done to the highest standard.